Back in your lives, ladies and gentlemen, FXLeaders.com. Back on the channel, your go-to channel. If you haven't been here yet, I'm Levine, cryptocurrency head analyst right here at FXLeaders, and we're basically breaking down complicated concepts, right? Making it clear, simple, and straight to the point. So far, we've covered what Forex is, how to read quotes, and what moves prices. Today, we're talking about pips, lots, and leverage. All right. If you've been hearing these words floating around, and had no idea what they mean, no stress. I'll break it down for you right here, right now. And as always, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos in this series. Let's get right into it. All right, first up, what's a pip? A pip stands for percentage in point or price interest point. Basically, it's the smallest price move a currency pair can make. In most currency pairs, a pip is the fourth decimal place. So if the euro dollar moves from 1.10000, right, 110, to 110.01, that's a 1 pip move, right? That's a 1 pip move. Okay, so now that we understand what a pip is, what is a lot, right? Which is a standardized trade size in Forex. And there's a few types. We have the standard lot, which equals $100,000. 100,000 units of the base currency. That's the exact definition, right? And then we have mini lot, which would equal 10,000, a micro lot, which would equal 1,000, and a nano lot, which would equal 100. So, for example, if you look at the screen right now, this is actually my real live account right now in real time. And you can see that I have two positions in place right now on the Ripple. One is 0.50 and the other one is also 0.50. So I actually have one lot, right? Both of them together equals one lot, which is $100,000 worth of position that I have with these two trades. Each trade $50,000 worth of trade, right? And if I hit, like right now, standing on the euro dollar, hit the right click, and I can have that window that I can launch a trade, right? So I would click the new order, and the new window, that's the window of the execution. And again, here you can find where to exactly define what is the position size you want to get into the market, right? So one here, again, would equal a $100,000 worth of position. But I can do 0.1, and that would equal $10,000 position. Now, just to set the record straight, on a standard lot, one lot that equals $100,000, one pip move would equal to $10, right? So for example, if I bought the euro dollar right now and it moved up a pip on a $10,000 position, which is what we have here right now, 0.1, one pip would equal $1, right? I'm sure that makes sense. Why it matters? Well, as you can imagine, the size of your lot affects how much each pip move is worth and how much risk you're taking on, essentially. Now, this is where things get spicy. Let's talk about leverage. Leverage lets you control a large trade position with a relatively small amount of your own money, right? So for example, with let's say 100-to-1 leverage, you can control a $100,000 worth of trade with just $1,000 in your account as margin, right? The platform itself covers the rest. Here's the catch. it works both ways, right? So if the market moves in your favor, that's great. But what if it moves against you? Your losses get magnified just as well. And in terms of margin requirements, this is the amount of money you need to open a leverage trade, right? If you're new, keep leverage low. That would be my recommendation. Don't fall for the high leverage temptation just yet as a beginner. There you go. You now understand what pips, lots, and leverage are all about. Let's have a quick recap. Pips equals price movements, right? Lots equal trade size. Leverage equals borrowing power. If you got value from this video, drop a like and comment below what leverage ratio you're currently using or would feel comfortable starting with. And hit that subscribe button, because the next video I'm going to walk you through how to use a Forex trading platform MT4 or MetaTrader 5 so you can see how all this works live on screen. See you in the next one.